Mazda just announced that the next generation of MX-5 Miata is going to be a hybrid. Is electrification gonna ruin the Mazda Miata formula? When you look at something like the Honda Prelude, it's a complete flop. That car is overweight and it's too slow. The weight isn't the only issue. We also have to talk about price. Take a look at something like the Honda Prelude. The Honda Prelude starts at an MSRP of $42,000. With these stricter and stricter emissions regulations, are we gonna see the enthusiast genre of cars completely vanish in the next decade?